How to hide comments on Instagram posts. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'll guide you on how you can hide comments on Instagram posts, so make sure to watch the video till the end. If you want to hide comments on Instagram posts, open up your Instagram application. Now let's say that there is already an existing photo or video here, and then you tap the three dots and then you just select edit button over here. If you want to hide comment for this, you cannot hide it, you have to turn off comment, which will also delete the current comments. So you can just tap the three dots here, tap on turn off commenting, and then the comments are actually going to get disabled for this. Now I can just turn on commenting back on again. Now the other way is, while let's say you're posting a certain photo, you want to disable commenting for this photo, you can just select all these options here, and then you can select add location and so on. You can go to advanced setting, turn off commenting, and then no one else will be able to comment on that photo. This way you can hide comments on Instagram post. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.